We are pleased to show you the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Inside you'll find navigation system, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, power sliding rear window, ventilated front seats, remote start, heated front seats, push button start, adjustable pedals, security system. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.